Hello, we're going to be multiplying polynomials using the box method. Now, another word for the box method is an area model. So it's called an area model because we're going to be using a rectangle and we're going to be multiplying the length times the width. And when you multiply length times width, you get the area. And in this case, our length is going to be the monomial x, and our width is going to be the binomial x plus 4. So x times x plus 4, and this is where we're going to get the area. And another name for the area in our case is going to be the product. So let's get started. Our first step is to multiply. We're going to get partial products. So x is the monomial times x plus 4 the binomial. So we're going to multiply x times x. And if we multiply x times x, we're going to get x squared. And next, we're going to multiply 4 times x. For x times 4, same thing. And we get 4x. Now, the whole product would be this side plus this side added together. But in this case, it's x squared and it's 4x. So we're going to add those together. And that's how we're going to get our answer. The answer is going to be x squared plus 4x. Plus 4x. Okay, so we simplified and we had x squared plus 4x. Okay, so now we're going to do one that's not a monomial times a binomial. We're going to do a binomial times a binomial. And in this case, we're going to do x minus 8 times x plus 4. So first thing we do, we're going to multiply x times x and x times 4. When we multiply those two things, we get x squared and 4x. So you should notice that that this is something we just did. So let's go back here. So we got x times x plus 4, and we got x squared plus 4x. We just did that. Now we're going to multiply negative 8 times x, and we get negative 8x. And then we're going to multiply negative 8 times 4, and we get negative 32. All right, negative 8x and negative 32. So when we multiply these, we have 4 terms. And the next step, it says to combine like terms. So we need to look and see, do we have anything that's alike? And if we do, we're going to circle them. So with x squared, do we have any more x squareds? Nope. And this one doesn't have a variable. Do we have anything else that's a constant that doesn't have a variable? Nope. But we do have 4x and minus 8x. They're on the diagonal. We can combine these two. So I'm going to circle these because these are like terms. And we're going to combine those. First thing we do, we're going to write down our answer. And we're going to start with x squared. And now we're going to look at the 4x and the minus 8x. We're going to look at the coefficients. So we're going to combine those. Negative 8 and 4. If we combine those, we get minus 4, and we keep the same variable, and the constant 32. And that's our answer. Thank you.